friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to write Ansible playbook to check CPU usage for Linux server. As a Linux administrator, monitoring server is the one of the daily day-to-day activity. So how I'm going to show you today how to automate CPU usage, memory usage, file system usage, disk IO ops, network usage using Ansible playbook. As the first session, I am going to show you how to write simple playbook to check the system CPU usage. Okay. Before moving to the Ansible playbook creation, we have to consider some prerequisites. You have to make sure all the Linux system, means all the Linux client, must have the sys-state RPM. Why? Because in our playbook we are going to use mp-state command. So in this case, this sys-state RPM must be installed on all the Linux system. Okay, you can perform installation using yum install command. Step number 2, before creating the playbook, you have to check the logic, how we can check the CPU utilization. Normally using mp-state command we can check the system utilization. Suppose if you are executing the same command for first interval, that time the CPU utilization might be normal. If the system is fluctuating, like keep on increasing decreasing the CPU, in that case we cannot determine using single command execution. For that we have to apply some logic. You have to execute the playbook for like continuously 3 seconds. So normally the monitoring tool, what it will do, it will keep monitoring the server for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. If the CPU duration continuously high for 5 minutes or more than 10 minutes, it will trigger the monitoring incident. The same logic we are going to apply. So the same command I'm going to execute for the 3 interval, like for three times. All the 3 times, if the CPU utilization is normal, the Ansible playbook will say everything is normal. The condition I'm going to apply, the CPU idle percentage greater than 10, which means the CPU utilization is not reaching to the more than 90%. Means it's the idle percentage is more than 10%. So in this case, this logic will apply. The same thing I am going to apply for the another logic. If the CPU utilization less than equal to 10, which means if the CPU utilization more than 90% for 3 seconds, continuously 3 seconds, this logic will apply. You can see I am going to execute for all the host. Yeah, looks good. Here I am executing mp-state command for first second, means one time I am executing. The same command I am executing for second. The same mp-state command I am going to execute for third second. The same command I am going to execute for third second, means third interval. You see, every time I am executing, I am storing that result in the CPU first second, and CPU second and CPU third second. Now I am going to apply the condition like print the message if the CPU utilization become normal, which means the CPU utilization never reach 90% for all the 3 intervals. You can see the condition, when condition, the CPU first second is greater than 80% of 10. The same like the CPU second result greater than of 10, and the CPU third second greater than of 10, which means all the 3 interval, means I am using AND condition. All the 3 interval, the CPU utilization must be, means the ideal person must be more than 10%. So I am using AND condition, Ansible when AND condition. I am applying the same condition. If the CPU utilization, the ideal percent less than 10, means this should be print some message like the CPU utilization abnormal. Let me show you how the playbook I have written. You can see here the CPU utilization become abnormal. I am applying the condition like loop all the 3 seconds. If any one of the second, if the CPU utilization, the ideal percentage less than 10, which means it will print the CPU utilization is abnormal. Sometime there might be a chance while checking the CPU, the first interval it might be normal, and second interval it might be abnormal. Again third interval it might be become normal due to some CPU fluctuation. So that kind of situation might come. To figure out that, I am applying the logic, checking for all the 3 seconds. Second 1, second 2 and second 3. If the all the 3 seconds, any one of this value which is less than 10, it will print this is abnormal. Let me show you the playbook execution. Before moving to the playbook execution, validate the syntax check if anything, all the Ansible code is correct or not. Validate the Ansible playbook syntax check. Looks everything normal. Now you execute the playbook and see the result. Playbook is getting executed and it is preparing for first second, and it is preparing the Ansible, the CPU utilization for second. Also it is prepared for third second. You can see all the 3 interval, the CPU utilization is normal. Means condition 1, condition 2, condition 3 all are become normal. That is the reason it is printed as a become normal, and it is a printing as a current CPU utilization. You can check from using mp state command. It's almost ideal percent. Now to CPU, which means I am going to take 2 session. Both the session I am going to execute this command. Means each command will consume 1 CPU 100% utilization. Let me execute the playbook and see the result. Let me execute the playbook. Go to here, make it enter, make it here also enter, and see now. Now the system having the 2 CPU, I have executed for the same command for 2 session, which means both the CPU will become 100% utilization. Now you can see the result. Yeah, now you can see it is printed the message as a CPU abnormal. Why? Because I have, for testing purpose, I have executed the sw-null command, which means both the CPU, means each command it will eat 1 CPU. So I have executed for 2 sessions. So both the CPU will become 100% utilization. That is the reason the Ansible condition is worked, and you can see it is printed the for 2 seconds. You can see because the first attempt it might try, that time the utilization was normal. So maybe that time the utilization normal. So that is skipped. Now you can see the second interval, it is printed as 100%. 0% is ideal, means 100% utilization. The third attempt also like that. Now we have executed the playbook and we got the result as per our convenient. Now I want to get the email notification. When I am executing the playbook, if the system having the CPU utilization more than 90% or the ideal percent is less than 10, so this is the condition that Ansible should send a mail to me for system having high CPU utilization. So I already created the playbook with the mail configuration. You can check my previous video. I will give you the description link. You can check that how to configure the mail configuration. So using that method you can configure and you can integrate that mail configuration in this playbook, which is available in the download link, and you can test your CPU monitoring via Ansible playbook. Also you can get the notification. Let me show you. So what is the playbook I have created? So this is the playbook. You can see here I created the condition, means I created the task for sending the email notification. Here also I have applied the same condition. You can see here, if it is the CPU utilization all the 3 seconds, if it is less than 10, that time only it will send the email notification to my mail address. So I have applied everything. I am going to show you how to get the email notification. So execute the playbook using Ansible, because I am using Ansible Vault because I have encrypted my Gmail application password. So that is the reason I am using Ansible Vault. So you can also download the same playbook from the description link and you can follow the same. Let me execute the playbook. before executing the playbook, so I have to execute the same command again. Why? Because then only the CPU utilization will become more than 90%, which means idle percentage will be less than 10%. So I have to execute the same playbook once again, then I will proceed the execution. For another session also, I'll make it enter, then I will execute the here also same. I have the password, unsuitable password, I have executed that to decrypt the Gmail application password. Now you see how the playbook will work. So it is prepared for first to second. CPU utilization also prepared for second. So now I am cancelling. So it might be captured. You can see. So here all the 3 times the CPU utilization is captured. All the time it is 90%. More than 90%, which means the ideal percentage is almost like 0% is ideal. It means 19%, 100% CPU utilization. The CPU was high. So now you can check your mailbox. It is sending the mail also. The same means the CPU utilization like abnormal. So you can go to your mail inbox and see. I am waiting for the mail. Yeah, so I have received the mails. You can see I have received 3 emails. 9% means 100% is usage and 0.00 is ideal percent. Also it is printing the message like you can see top CPU process also. So you can also follow the same using the description download link. Thank you. Thanks for watching.